Hey guys, it's Quinn. Through this workshop, I'm going to help you understand what you want in van life and how to get there. We're going to talk about different layouts and determine which one is best for your lifestyle.
It's really satisfying to have those things just readily available. To be able to fit everything into this short wheelbase, I needed to do that modification.
Where do you expect to be camping most of the time? Are you going to be stealth camping on city streets, or are you going to be in the middle of nowhere really taking in nature? So wherever you find yourself, you can pull up this app and you can filter for what you want.
And if I want to be extra fancy, I have this tablecloth.
It's a big project to take on, but I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible for you. This kitchen really does feel like a legit home kitchen, and that's what I really wanted. We're gonna break down all the different systems: electrical, solar, kitchen, bed type, you name it, we'll go into it. I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth tour of my vans, and I'm gonna bring in some of my friends to show you their perspective. Can't wait to dive in and get you guys on the road. Let's do it.
All right, man, I wish I had a cool name for this van. I've just made too many. Anyways,